Hi, this is Manthan from scrapingdog.com, and in this video we will learn how to scrape data with Python. So for this video tutorial, I will take example of scraping Amazon.com page, and we are going to use this particular page for scraping. So here's a Python code. I have imported a request library. This is the dictionary I'm using as headers, and here's I'm going to hit the get request, and this is where I'm going to print the status code. So let's first hit a get request without passing these headers. I got an error 500. So let's pass this these headers and see what happens. I got a perfect 200 response. So this approach can be used for scraping, few thousand pages from Amazon.com or any other website like Idealista, Booking.com, ZoomInfo, etc. etc. Let's try a web scraping API, scrapingdog.com, and see what advantage we have over this usual approach. Now let's use scrapingdog.com for scraping Amazon product URL. So I got this URL from this complete code from directly from my dashboard. I can just enter my target URL over here and just go to Python and just copy code. Once copied, you can just paste it in your working environment. Now let's try the code and see what difference it can make. So we got the 200 success response status code, and the advantage of using a scraping dog is like you will all the request, all the new request you are going to make to scrape endpoint will go through a different proxy, and it will use its own set of headers, which will help you unblock millions of pages, and you can just focus on data collection. Proxy rotation, headless browsers, and headers will be, uh, you know, handled by scraping dog itself. You don't have to focus on that part. So you will be able to scrape millions of pages without getting blocked. I have also written a guide on web scraping in Python. It's a huge comprehensive guide. You can just refer to this guide, and I'm going to link this guide in the description section. So if you have any questions regarding any product from scrapingdog.com, then you can reach out to me at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you very much.